Hey guys, Shayna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this beautiful twist out, which you can leave in for about a week as a protective style. I did, however, take the twists out the next day for this video. So if you'd like to see how I get this twist out, please keep on watching. So first off, you'll need your oil of choice. Of course, I love my wild growth hair oil. You'll also need a cream. I like to use SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. And I like to go in with a second cream instead of using a twist out cream. And for this I use Miss Jessie's MultiCultural Curls. And then I also like to use a gel for hold. And for this I use the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. And don't forget your spray bottle. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to section my hair into two sections, and my hair is completely dry right now because I did wash it the night before, but that's why I use the spray bottle just to re-wet my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and split this into two sections, and I'll just clip up the section that I'm not working on. And then I'll start on this right section, and that I'll also split into two sections, and then I'll just start working on the back section there. So you can see I'm re-wetting the hair there because, as I said before, it is dry. And then I'm going to go in with my oil, my wild growth hair oil. And for this I use 10 to 15 drops per section. And I do speak about this in my first video, so I'll link that in the description box. But here I'm just going through and distributing that oil throughout that first section. And then I'm going to go in with my Curl and Style Milk, or whatever cream you choose. Next, I'll go in with my Miss Jessie's MultiCultural Curls. And for all these products, I'm using about a nickel to a quarter size amount of product per section. So you can see I'm just distributing those products throughout that first section. And I don't do a defined part just because it helps the hair to blend better when I take out the twists and make sure there's no harsh lines. So I'll just go through and distribute those products, and remember to wet your hair if it feels a little dry, and just distribute those products evenly. So once the creams are distributed, then I'll go in and section the hair for the twists. That first section I sectioned it into two, and then I'll go in with my gel, which is that Crystal Orchid gel from the Main Choice. And guys, this gel, it smells amazing. I'm actually going to have to try this for a wash and go. So now you can just see me applying that gel to that first section that I'll be twisting. And I'm just massaging that gel into my hair just to make sure there is no frizz. Now once that gel is distributed in that first section that I'll be twisting, I go in just to detangle and make sure there are no knots. This is a crucial step, guys, to do before you actually start twisting. And so then I'll just go in and twist the first section. Now when you get to the ends, guys, make sure that you twirl your hair around your finger just to lock that twist in. And this is how the first twist turned out. Don't be fooled by that length because it will shrink up. And now you'll see that I'm just going to repeat the same steps for the rest of my hair. And I do re-wet as I go if it's feeling a little bit dry. Oh, see, don't forget to detangle, guys. I almost forgot there. So now I'm going to speed it up even more because the rest of the steps are exactly the same. So I will come back to you when I'm done twisting. Okay guys, so I'm all done twisting and this is what it looks like. Took about 20-30 minutes to do all the twists. And here I'm just counting. I did on the left side 6 twists. And I also did 6 twists on the right side. So that's a total of 12 twists. And that's how it's looking in the back. And they look pretty long right now, but that's just because they're still wet. They are probably going to shrink up to chest length or above. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my twists into a little ponytail to get them out of the way. And those will take maybe a day to air dry. But since this is a protective style, you can leave this in for up to a week. Really, as long as you can get it to last without looking too frizzy. For this video, I did sit under my dryer to speed up the drying process. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. As you can see, the twists did shrink up quite a bit. They're about chest length. And so I'll just go ahead and untwist them in the opposite direction that I originally twisted them in. I was trying to figure it out here. I was a little confused. But once you get the hang of it, it's really not difficult. Just keep untwisting and try not to create too much frizz. I actually coated my hands with coconut oil before taking out the twists. That will just prevent any unnecessary frizz. I like to separate my twists as I take them out, instead of just waiting until I'm done taking them all out and then going in to separate. I feel like that saves some time. So as you can see, I'm just going to keep on taking down my twists and separating them where they naturally want to separate. Don't force it because that will create frizz. And here I was so excited to be on my last twist. And these are the final results. This is how my hair looks after separating all of those twists that I just took down. I do a little bit more fluffing at the top, the crown area there, just to make sure that the hair is well blended. But this is it, guys. My hair feels incredibly soft and fluffy. And I feel like twist outs are a great idea if you have different curl patterns because they'll make your curls look more uniform. So there you have it, guys, my twist out routine, which doubles as a protective style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment below to let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. Thanks for watching.